guys. Recently I hosted an event called the Ottawa Radio Control Urban Assault Crawl here in Ottawa downtown. And had some fun. Had about 12-15 people showed up, and we had about 9 or 10 trucks. So we had some fun over there. And it was a perfect time for me to try the Radiolink RC6GS V2 remote control. This thing is sweet. It has cruise control. You can monitor the battery level. There's 6 channels. There's so much potential for this thing. I love it. And here's the video. Here's the video of what happened that day, and enjoy it. And get yourself a Radiolink. I put it at minus 45% right now. Doing a video with the mask on. It's not good. So I did it with 45% right now. So radio link, and it's time to go have some fun with the cars. We're waiting for more people to get here, but we're gonna walk downtown and do a little parade. Hey, where's the Ferrari? Ferrari's not there. There's a Ferrari late at the race. I backed up in there. Okay, let's line her up. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drivers. Oh, there's more coming? Okay, we'll wait. Got herself a convoy. Stop on track. Here we are, downtown Ottawa on the Urbancrawl 2020. Come and visit this beautiful town. Tight fit. Is the trailer gonna fit? Whoa! Trailer doesn't fit. Oh no, what happened there? You lost a wheel. Oh my God! We lost a wheel! There we go, we reach our crawling spot. And the Gladiator is trying to get on up. This is where the dig can really help you, and that you're using it right, which is good. Do the dig again. Without the dig, you wouldn't have not been. You better put yourself close to the edge, right? Because it's pretty. Look at that, I'm on cruise control, baby. Cruise control, cruise control. Taking the shortcut. And I'm doing pretty good on two-wheel drive going down on grass. Just keep in mind, this is a two-wheel drive truck. I do have dualies at the back, but it's doing awesome. And right now, I'm using cruise control again. Cruise control, you gotta like it. Light. That's cool. Better hug that. Chug it. Oh, he's doing good. So one of the guys had a problem with his truck, and he can't pull his trailer anymore. So I've actually jimmy rigged something here. So there we go. And now we can start pulling. This is a steep hill. Oh boy, the front's coming up. I'm not even touching the floor. I'm not even touching the front. Barely. This is so hard. So one of the guys decided that I wasn't towing hard enough, so he actually added another truck onto mine.
Go big or go home?
That's it. Hey, did you steal a trailer? You found a trailer and you took it.
Nice trailer. I came with the car for free.
Oh shit, you have stairs. No.
That's what I figured was going to happen.
No, that didn't happen.
Jesus, 3 guys to pull 1 truck.
There we go. Bring it up a little bit. Okay. Come on. Come on. Bring it up there. Push that D90. Push that D90. Push it. There we go. That's a steep hill. Right? So it took a lot of guys to bring that up, but we got it up. No. Bring it up that end. C'est le propane, c'est le gaz que là. That's how many trucks made it here. There we go. We have little kids standing up beside the RCs to take pictures. So cool. That's nice. You like that one? Yeah, you like that one too? Cool. Yeah, that's a race car. No, put it down. It's okay. Okay, just for the hell of it, I want to try something. 10 minutes, Sébastien.
That's one hell of a trailer.
One heck of a truck.
Yes, it is.
You gotta be on YouTube.
You want to be on YouTube?
I'm actually full blast right now. That is one strong truck, that's for sure. And we are on our way back. no, LiPo cut off. Regarde le tire en avant.
Imagine that.
The front one are not glued. I didn't glue them because there's no traction on them. There we go, we're all done. We're back at the car. And this thing really performed very good. And looks like I scored a D90. The guy that had the truck, I don't know where he is, he took off.
He's not coming back.
Oh shoot, he's back, so I guess he's back to take his D90 back. So you know what to do, eh? You got to get that fixed. I'm not going to pull it next time. Well, guys, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe and all the good stuff like that. And don't forget, if you're not breaking anything, you're not having fun. This guy had a lot of fun. Thanks, guys.